How to fix your Steam game having this error. First, go ahead and go to your Steam, and in your library, go to the game that's been having the problem. For example, it's this game, so just right-click it and go to Properties. Now, go to your installed files and click on Verify Integrity of the game files. This will check on the corrupted files and repair your game. After that, just try unlaunching the game again. Next thing you can do is go to your Windows Defender firewall. You can directly type it in your Windows search, and in here click the Allow an app through the firewall. A window will pop up having the list of apps allowed to communicate through Windows firewall. Now just find the game in here. And if you see it's not checked, just click on Change Settings and tick the box for the game and for the public and private boxes. Now if it isn't there, just go click Add Another App, then click on Browse, and then go to the folder where your game is. So for example here, just go to the run.exe and then click Add, and then just click OK. Then go ahead and close this, restart your PC, and then play a game again. Thanks for watching!